channel. Guys, today I'll be reviewing two products from Tatcha. One is the Deep Cleansing Exfoliating Cleanser and the other one is the Tatcha Silky Peony Eye Cream. So if you want to know my recommendation on these two products, so stay tuned and continue watching. So guys, these two products I got from Sephora. This is a small little bottle which cost me about $20 and this is 25 ml. And if you take a bigger pack, it's about 150 ml and it's $38, which is quite pricey. And this is a very luxury product. And this eye cream costs about $20 and it's 5 ml. If you take a bigger pack, it's about 15 ml and it costs about $60, which is quite expensive for an eye cream. These two products are very luxury from Tatcha and it's quite pricey, but I'm going to give you my review on this. Coming to this packaging of this Deep Cleansing Exfoliating Cleanser, this is a cute little plastic bottle and I just love the color. It's so beautiful and it's so calming and cooling color, and I really like the packaging. It's very cute. So when you open it, it looks this way. It has a where you can squeeze out your product. Just squeeze out and a little product. The face has to be wet a little bit, and this is how it looks like. It's a gel form and you just wet your face and you just massage it, and this has a bits of exfoliating. It has that fruit extract which I really like. It has a very smooth texture to it. It's not very harsh. It's a very gentle exfoliating product, and this is how it looks like. So you just wash it out and it's very gentle, very smooth. This cleansing is for normal, oily, sensitive combination skin, and I just love the ingredients in this. This has green tea, which is very good for your skin, and it also has wild rose and it balances your skin and it hydrates your skin. I was exfoliating my skin with this product. I really like the fruit extract, which has a little bits and it exfoliated very well, but it didn't dry out my skin. But if you have a very oily skin, this controls oil. If you have a very oily skin, I definitely recommend you can buy a small little bottle and you can try it out, and if you like it, you can purchase a bigger one from Sephora. So coming to the next product, which is the eye cream from Tatcha, and this is a Silky Peony eye cream, and I just love the packaging. Oh my god, every time I use it, every time I admire this packaging. It's so cute. I just love it. It's white in color and it has a beautiful golden flower on the top, if you can see, and I just love the packaging. I have been using this for absolutely 1 month, and every time I use it, every time I admire this, and this is how it looks like. See how much I finished it. I finished it so much. I've been using this for 1 whole month and I just love it. Now coming to the ingredients of this eye cream: green tea, rice, antioxidant, which is good for your under eye area. Now let me tell you, this eye cream is not to make your dark under eye clear. It's not for that. It's an eye cream which hydrates your under eye area. If you have uneven skin here in your under eye, this just smooths out this under eye area. Very smooth and very blurry. So this gives a very nice glow and it hydrates your skin in your under eye area. And if you're going to use it in the morning and in the night, and it gives a very nice glow to your skin and it highlights your skin and your under eye area. I just love this. I have been using since 1 month, in the morning and in the night, and this is how the product looks. It's just an amazing product, and I've used up so much. I've been using since 1 month, as you can see, and you just have to take a little bit product in the morning and this much, and you just take it in your fingertips and you just pat it like that and you just massage it. You can see it just highlights this area so nicely. And even if you put concealer and your makeup. After that, you don't have to wait. You can immediately put it. It gives a very nice glow to your under eye area, and your makeup also looks very nice if you have a very uneven skin here. So this is amazing product, and I use a more product in the night, which I want more hydration. So I take a little bit of more product in the night and I apply this. I have been using it and I can see the difference in 1 month's time. I have just seen the difference in my under area. I just love the product, and the best part, this is like a thick cream. It's balm type and it's really nice. It hydrates so well and it's anti-aging, but this is not a lifting eye cream. If you're looking for a lifting eye cream, so this is not a lifting eye cream. This just smooths out the texture in your under eye, and if you have those uneven skin, it just smooths out. And you have to apply a good amount of product in the night, which hydrates your under eye area very well, and it also keeps the under area very even and it smooths out, and the texture, you will just love it in the morning. When you get up in the morning, you will see your under eye area. It's so nice. I'm going to show you how I use it with my concealer. This product I'm going to show you right now. It's just an amazing way. So this is my concealer from Bobbi Brown. You all guys know I only use Bobbi Brown, which I love, and this is a Sephora again brand. I just love it, and I just taken a little bit of my concealer, and a little bit of eye cream, and I'll just mix it and I'll apply in my under eye area. So this gives a very nice glow when you apply your makeup, and you can just pat it with your fingertip, and this gives a very nice glow, as if you have used a highlighter. It's given us such a nice glow. Oh my god. I just mixed with my concealer and this eye cream. When you apply your makeup, you can do that, and it gives such a nice shine and glow, it as if I put some highlighter. I'm just enjoying using this cream. I just love it. So guys, the eye cream is absolutely, I just love it. I'm gonna take a bigger pack, that is $60. I'm gonna purchase one from Sephora. I definitely recommend you this eye cream. If you don't have one good eye cream, you must definitely buy this from Sephora. It's available. And the other one, I like this product. I just felt a little bit expensive. This is my honest review. I wouldn't go and buy a bigger pack. I feel like I can really do without it. I'm happy with another cleanser which I have in my shower, because this is quite pricey and I feel I use it twice. It's just too much to spend that much money for a bigger product, and I feel like I can do without it. But this is very good if you have a very oily skin or a very sensitive skin. This does a good job, but it's only a little pricey for me. For a good cleanser, so this I definitely recommend you. If you have a very oily, sensitive and a combination skin, this is absolutely a good cleanser for you. And if you don't have one eye cream, and if you were looking for a good eye cream, this is definitely an amazing product. I just love it. It hydrates your skin and it's just amazing. I just love it. So guys, this was my video for today, and I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and do share with all your friends, guys. So guys, I'll see you soon with my next exciting video. Till then, take good care of yourself, keep yourself happy and eat healthy, and be positive and enjoy whatever you're doing. Bye guys, love you all.